Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Khan and my topic is legal and ethical issues in information security. Introduction to legal and ethical issues. Legal issues adhering to cybersecurity laws to avoid penalties. Ethical concerns representing user privacy, transparency, and trust. Example: data breach lawsuits against major corporations. Privacy and data protection. Legal frameworks. GDPR, Europe. Ensures user consent for data collection. CCPA, California. Grants consumer rights over their data. Ethical concerns representing privacy beyond compliance. Example: Facebook, Cambridge Analytica स्कैंडल, ये 2018. साइबर क्राइम एंड लीगल consequence. Cyber crime includes hacking, phishing, ransomware attacks. Legal frameworks: Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, USA. Example: 2023 ransomware attack on MGM Resorts caused significant operational and financial losses. Intellectual property rights protect digital assets like software, databases, and content. Legal consequences: penalties for piracy or copyright infringement. Example: Oracle vs Google 2021 over the use of Java APIs and in Android. Workplace monitoring and ethics. Legal rights: employers can monitor employee activities to ensure productivity. Ethical concerns: balancing surveillance with respect for employee privacy. Example: controversial over keystroke monitoring software in remote work setting. Whistleblowing in information security. Legal protections. Dodd-Frank and protects. Ethical dilemma: loyalty to employee vs public interest. Example: Edward Snowden's 2013 NSA leaks highlighting global surveillance. Cybersecurity and national security. Legal concerns: acts like the USA Patriot Act expand government surveillance powers. Ethical concerns: balancing individual privacy with the need for security. Example: PRISM program controversy over mass data collection. AI and ethical dilemmas. Legal challenge: regulation of AI tools like facial recognition. Ethical concerns: bias in AI algorithms affecting marginalized groups. Example: Clearview AI faced backlash for scraping images for social media. Ethical hacking and its boundaries. Legal consideration: Presentation testing must have explicit permission. Ethical concerns. Avoiding harm during security assessments. Example, Tesla bug boundary program rewards ethical hackers. Identifying ethical hacking and its boundaries. Legal consideration. Presentation. Global variations in cybersecurity laws. Challenge. Organizations face conflicting laws across jurisdictions. Example, GDPR Europe. Stringent privacy standards. Other regions may have weaker protections of enforcement. Emerging legal and ethical challenges. Cryptocurrencies facilitate money laundering and financial crimes. Biometric data raises privacy and consent issues. Example, Binance under legal security for enabling illicit transactions. Case studies, lesson learned. Yahoo 2016. Ignoring vulnerabilities led to major data breaches and legal action. T-Mobile 2021. Weak security measures caused data of millions to be exposed. Best practices of ethical cybersecurity. Compliance. Follow legal regulation to avoid penalties. Transparency. Maintain trust by being clear about data use. Ethical behavior. Make decisions that prioritize user security and privacy. Conclusion and call to action. Summary. Legal to ethical frameworks are crucial in cybersecurity. Okay, thank you.